India's most loved small car is back, this time with an electric twist. Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Maruti Alto 800 electric, Maruti Suzuki's bold step into affordable EV mobility. Let's find out if this new electric hatchback is the perfect blend of value, performance, and sustainability. Design and exterior. At first glance, the 2025 Alto 800 electric retains the familiar compact silhouette we all know, but with a fresh modern twist. The front fascia is sleeker, featuring a closed grille design that's typical of EVs, along with sharp LED DRLs and a slightly reworked bumper. The electric version also gets aerodynamic wheels and subtle EV badging. While the size remains city-friendly, the styling clearly signals a move toward the future. Interior and features. Inside, the cabin feels more premium than ever before. Maruti has introduced a new dual-tone dashboard, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Key features include power windows, keyless entry, and automatic climate control in the top variant. Though compact, the space utilization is smart, providing ample headroom and a decent boot for city use. Battery, range, and charging. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, the Alto 800 electric comes with a 21.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. On a full charge, it delivers an estimated range of around 220 to 250 kilometers, making it ideal for daily city commutes. The vehicle supports both standard and fast charging. With a regular home charger, a full charge takes about 6 to 7 hours, while fast charging can boost it up to 80% in under an hour. Performance and driving experience. The electric motor produces around 40 to 45 brake horsepower with instant torque delivery, offering zippy acceleration in city traffic. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity provide a surprisingly agile drive. While it's not meant for the highways, the Alto electric shines where it matters most, in tight city streets and crowded lanes. Pricing and conclusion. Expected to be priced between 7 Indian rupees to 8.5 Indian rupees Lakh, Ex-showroom, the 2025 Maruti Alto 800 electric is set to become the most affordable EV in India. With its trusted brand name, low running costs, and practical design, this could be the EV that brings electric mobility to the masses. Thanks for watching Pro Wheelhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more auto updates. India's most loved small car is back, this time with an electric twist. Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse, your go-to channel for